In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check comps on eBay, a crucial skill for anyone looking to buy or sell on this platform effectively. Understanding how to assess comparable listings or comps can significantly influence your pricing strategy and help you make informed decisions on potential purchases. Let's jump into this step-by-step guide and make the most out of your eBay experience. First and foremost, head over to any eBay page. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the advanced link. It's usually tucked away in the upper right corner of the page, but it's not too hard to spot. Clicking on this link will open up a range of search options that will help us find past sales data. Now that you're in the advanced search options, direct your attention to the section labeled Show Only. Here, you'll want to select Completed Listings. This will allow you to see items that have already ended their sales cycle, but don't stop there. There's an option right below that to check sold items. By checking this box, you filter out all the unsold listings, leaving you with only those items that actually found buyers. This is essential because it gives you a clearer picture of what people are willing to pay. Next, it's time to input relevant keywords or item numbers that are related to the item you're researching. This step is all about specificity. The more precise your keywords, the better your results will be. You can further refine your search by filtering by category, price range, and other criteria. These filters will help you narrow down your search to items that closely match what you're looking for, making your results as relevant as possible. As you review the list of completed and sold listings, pay close attention to a few key details. The sold price is of course very important, but also note the format of the sale. Was it an auction or a fixed price? And don't overlook the finer details in the listing. These factors provide valuable insights into the market value of similar items and will guide you in setting a competitive price for your items. For those looking for more in-depth analysis, eBay provides an advanced tool in the Seller Hub under the Research tab. This tool, known as the Product Research Tool, can offer access to up to 3 years of sold data. It's a treasure trove of information, providing a comprehensive view of the market that you just can't get from manual searches alone. This data can be invaluable if you're dealing with high volume or high value items and want to ensure your pricing strategy is spot on. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can expertly navigate eBay's database of completed sales to inform your buying and selling decisions.